In this video, I will share with you how to add a book appointment button like this one to the header of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Now go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and this website is this exact one. Click on edit website. Now that you're in the website builder page, just click on the header section like that and click on edit header. A new window pops up, click on elements, and now next to show button, enable this option like that. As you can see, a new window is added to the header. To customize the design of this button and also add a link to it, click on edit button below show button. Now you can edit the button text, for example, book appointment. You can link to multiple destinations. In our case, I will select a section because I want the click on this button to directly forward me to the header. Where is my webcam? To directly forward me to the exact booking section on my website. So I need to select the anchor of my booking section. In your case, you will not see this booking anchor, and to have it, simply go to the booking section. In my case, this is it. And instead of creating the anchor for this section, I will create an anchor for the title or the title section above it, because I want visitors to see this big title, which is book your session. Now select your title section like that, click on edit section and go to anchor and give your anchor a name, for example, new booking. Click on enter or just close this window. Let's go back to the button settings, and here I will see new booking. Click on it. You can select between opening your page in a new tab. I will not go in with this option. You can make your link no follow for SEO purposes. You can also edit the fill color. In my case, I will go with this color. You can also edit the text color. I will select black. You can edit the text font, but I will keep it by default. And you can also make your button or your text size bigger or smaller. I will go with this size. After that, you can give your button a border color. I will go with black and make the border width a little bit bigger. And for the button corner, you can edit it like that. After that, close this window, update your website, and let's view my website live. This is the button I've just added. If I click on it, I will directly jump to the booking section. Let's redo it. As you can see, I was automatically jumped to this section. And this is how to add a booking appointment button in the header of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.